The Adidas Harden Volume 10 All-Star is shaping up to be one of the standout sneakers of early 2026, emerging just as James Harden continues to shine despite the Los Angeles Clippers' rocky start to the season. While the team struggles below a .333 winning percentage, Harden is posting his best scoring numbers since his Houston days, keeping fans buzzing about a potential 12th All-Star selection. To match the hype, Adidas is rolling out a glittery, silver-drenched All-Star colorway highlighted by a sleek black bootie build. Bright orange and yellow accents energize the outsole, echoing the vibrant scenery of Harden's California roots and the upcoming All-Star Weekend venue. This All-Star edition joins Adidas' growing lineup of Inglewood drops, including upcoming models like the Dame X, Anthony Edwards II, and the Don Issue 7 All-Star. Expect the Harden Volume 10 All-Star to release in spring 2026, likely February, with a retail price of $160.